Want to know how to make the crispiest pork belly you've ever eaten? Here we go. 1 piece of pork belly. As you can see, it's got a nice bit of fat on it. It's good, it's juicy. I've already done a little score, but we're going to put a few more in there. Here we go. And then I'm going to put some Chinese five spice and some hoisin sauce on the bottom. And you're going to rub it all together and make a paste. Now we need to get this little guy ready to go in the oven. We're going to turn him over. We're going to sit him in a tray with some foil, making like a little snuggy little bed to lie in, edges around the corner. And then, I know this looks like a lot of salt, but you need it. Spread it all over the top, a nice thick layer of something crystally, good chunky rock salt. Then it's going to go into the oven. You're going to put it in the oven at 180 for an hour. Bye bye, Mr. Porkbelly. See you soon. Now, this is an hour later. You can see lots of the salt has moved to one side, but it's still on there. We need to scrape it all back and expose that skin. Now it's going to go back in. Full hot oven, 245 degrees. May seem hot. You're going to leave that in there for maybe half an hour, but you just got to keep an eye on it. You need to keep turning it round every now and again. And then finally, it's done. Have you ever seen anything like this in your life? Oh, listen to it. So good. I'd say probably give it a 5-minute rest, only because it's hotter than the sun. But then, listen to it. It will sound like this every time. My God, it's so crunchy. So delicious. You'll never want to do it any other way. Listen to that crunch from the brown dog.